Today I'm coming with another video and I will introduce you to Skynet Toolfire. This tool will be used for iPhone and iPad. After the activation license like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, you can use unlimited bypass iCloud activation lock. You can also bypass MDM lock from iPhone 5 to 16 Pro Max, and any iPad without jailbreak can bypass MDM lock. You can bypass iPhone GSM devices from iOS 12 to iOS 14.5.1 with call support. Many services will be useful for you. This iPhone 10 Wi-Fi does not work when you need to bypass iCloud activation lock. Must connect Wi-Fi before it works. I also have another model iPhone 7. I will show you how to bypass after jailbreak. There, many service I already tell you before. I hope will good for you for bypass iCloud activation lock. And remember, the passcode service is only for jailbreak support devices or backup to save. In future, if the same model is coming, then you can again bypass the device with the backup file. Now I will create account for activation license. After registration, put username, password and email address. As when buying license, submit username for activation. As you can see, I have already activated my username with email address. Now I'm going to log in my account. And remember, after registering your username, and you need to buy license to work from skynettool.com or bestofunlock.com. Now I'm going to skynettool.com to activate my tool. If you need to activate, then you can activate from skynettool.com website. This is very powerful website to unlock any mobile phone. Now I activate my tool for 1 month. After activation successful, you need to log in your ID before working. Without login, the tool will not work.